This chair makes so much noise. It sounds like I'm sitting on balloons. Do I do an intro for this video, or let me be negative for like 2 seconds and then I will turn it around? Maybe, probably. I will do my best to turn it around, but for now, the negativity is coming and poof. This video did not go how I wanted it to go. And that's happened a couple times. Sometimes I delete those videos and you never see them. But I feel like it's important to acknowledge that things do not always go right. And when that happens, I feel like you have why does my hand look so big? Jesus, foreshortening is a nightmare. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, okay. I feel like you have a couple of options when that happens. You can allow yourself to just become enveloped by the failure. Or you can try and get yourself out of it and make it into something that is not crap. I have opted to do the latter. That's funny. Ladder, climb out. Yep. Okay. I didn't mean to do that, but it happened. It was okay. I feel like I'm giving spoilers to a video you haven't seen yet, but it didn't go well. At least the first half. Remember those ice cream cones from last week? I think it's time to use those. I'm not really sure what size pom-pom ball is gonna work for that, but we're just gonna do some experimenting, I think. I'm gonna try a 1.5 first, just to see what happens, basically. And I'm gonna use one pink pom-pom and one white for his ears because I'm planning on putting some puffy paint on these. So standard procedure, poke the hole, stick the eye in there. I'm having a little bit of trouble with my glue gun today for some reason, but hopefully that does not present a problem all day. I debated on just doing a plain ice cream cone, but honestly, I just love these stupid little bear faces way too much. So I'm gonna glue some eyebrows on him. Yeah, this glue gun is, Make sure to burn your finger, that's important. Just gonna wipe the hot glue off his head and pretend that didn't just happen.
Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, dude, one of them talking about that big mistake, y'all.
I mean, aside from the minor setback, I think he looks pretty good. Now, I have devised a not-so-clever contraption to hold these while I'm painting on them so that they don't fall over. I'm just gonna stick him in this one, make sure he's in there pretty good, and just start going to town with the puffy paint. I'm pretty much just gonna coat the top of his head and then stick some of these sprinkles on his head. Okay, I mean, that's something. So we're gonna try a 2-inch pom-pom now, I think. I'm gonna go with a white one because I want to try and put some chocolate on his head, hopefully. Gonna give him some brown eyebrows for character. Yep, okay. All right, well, there's that one. I get knocked down. You know, no. All right, let's get him in there and make sure he doesn't fall over. Chocolate sauce on the bear. Check. Sprinkles for the bear. Don't put your hand in the puffy paint. Check. Add a little cherry on top of the bear. No. Yeah, it doesn't matter. There we go. So today's not really going as planned at all. Just gonna channel the negative energy that is surrounding me into a little rain cloud. I think I want to make a little frown for him out of this wire. Yeah. And then I'm going to poke some chain into the bottom so that it looks like it's raining. And I'm going to glue some beads to the chains just so it's like little raindrops. I think that works pretty good. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Infuriating, isn't it? But I refused to let it beat me. I refused to let the frustration destroy me. So I continued to make things, even though everything was going completely wrong. And you know what? I think sometimes that's just what you have to do. I think sometimes you do just have to push through the crap and just get somewhere better. I don't know. I think there was gonna be an analogy, but I just stopped caring. Yeah. All right, so now that these have dried, I need to figure out how to get these little head pins in there. I mean, that works. I guess because the puffy paint becomes this weird plasticky substance when it dries, it kind of just works like you're screwing them into plastic, so that's cool. So those are done. I think I stayed on theme for these. Kind of. I wanted to make several more pairs this week, but I only had 2 backing cards left, so 2 pairs. This guy and this guy. I saw a couple of people asking for pins, so let's make some of those. Gonna start off with an orange one. I had planned to make pins this year anyway, but I was going to do them out of polymer clay. I don't know why I didn't realize that the pom-pom bears would also still work as pins. And then at the time, I did not have the backing cards yet for pins, so I'm just gonna use business cards. There we go. Let's try and make a duck. I love these stupid little duck beaks. I think at some point this week I'm gonna do some more research and see if I can find some more interesting bits. Wasn't really trying to find anything before, and I happened to find the duck beaks and the koala noses, so I'm kind of curious to see what else there is. Let's put some sunglasses on this one. Not those though. No. Oh, yep, those are good. Okay. I'm really having a lot of fun with the little sunglasses. I think they're super cool. This one in particular, I don't know. He's so cute. So I made 3 of those, and I got a little bit carried away and made like this many and this little cow. Is there a moral to this video? Don't let your negative thoughts ruin your good time. I think we could workshop that a little bit, make it sound a little better. Something you could cross-stitch onto a pillow. If you try your best, but you don't succeed. Despite what the first half of this video would have you believe, I did have fun making this video. I have fun making all of these videos. And I love seeing you guys react to what happens, because it's just such a fun thing to be able to share the thing that you love the most with other people who also love that thing and understand why you love it. You know what I mean? Everything we made in the video is gonna be live in the Etsy shop right now. I have no idea what we're gonna do in the next video, but I will see you then. And until then, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next time.